So today we're going to be looking at pan balance. So this is our pan balance scale. And so with our pan balance scale in kindergarten, we introduced this before spring break, but we're going to be doing a little bit differently and some more in depth with it, talking about lighter and heavier. So with lighter and heavier, they have a little spinner and they pick heavier. So what they do is they pick out an object. So for example, I picked out a highlighter. So I want to look at my bucket of things and I want to try to find something that might be heavier than the highlighter. So I'm going to try a pencil. And as you can see from the front, a pencil is not heavier than a highlighter. So then I'm like, what else might be heavier than a highlighter? Oh, I've got this Lego right here. Let me try that. And as you can see, the Lego is heavier than the highlighter. So then the kids get to come back, they put their objects away, and then they spin again. So this time they spun lighter. So I'm going to pick the dice. So now I have to think of something that might be lighter than the dice. So I'm going to try this block. The block is not lighter than the dice. So I'm going to have to try a different object. I'm going to try the glue stick. And as we can see, the glue stick is lighter than the dice. So one of the things we're working on is terminology, understanding that this is a scale. And it's a little bit different scale than you might see when you kind of step on a scale and only see how much you weigh. But this does weigh things. It tells you if something is lighter, heavier, or if it's equal. So before spring break, we talked about how finding things that were equal to 1 pound. Now we're diving a little bit deeper, trying to figure out what things are lighter, what things are heavier. So at home, you can have your kids pick out different things. Even though you don't have a balance, what you can do is you can take a yardstick, you can take 2 strings, tie them on there, and kind of see, and put the yardstick on our can, and see if you can find things that balance on the can. And see which things are lighter, which things are heavier, and just kind of get those terminologies out there. Thank you and have a nice day.